Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel The Global Scholarship. For today we have a scholarship called Teach India Fellowship. This fellowship is being provided by Teach for India Group and the benefit from this fellowship is Rs 20,000. This fellowship is open for all the undergraduate students and the link for the application form is given below in the description box, and to know the entire application process keep on watching our video. If you enjoy content like this, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel The Global Scholarship. You can also join us on Instagram and Telegram at The Global Scholarship. Now let's get started with the video. First type theglobalscholarship.org. Now click on the first link that appears on your page. This will take you to our official website which has three broad categories: scholarship, abroad scholarship, competition and awards. Click on scholarship section. You will see multiple scholarships to which you can apply according to your eligibility. For today, let's focus on Teach India Fellowship Program. Click on the view button. Now you can see an interface that has this fellowship details like name of this fellowship, provider name, benefit from this fellowship. At the right side you can see the start date, end date. Just below it you will see the educational qualification to whom this fellowship is open for. After that, I want you to go through the scholarship description once to know the intent behind this fellowship. After that, the important dates regarding this fellowship are given. Carefully go through it. The eligibility criteria for this fellowship is given. Please check it out once. Moving on to next, you will see the benefit section. So here the candidates who will participate in this fellowship will receive the Teach for India fellowship amount, that is INR 19,000 per month as their salary. Those who are relocating will receive an amount between INR 5,300 to INR 10,000 as a house rent allowances. Our fellows are placed as full-time teachers for 2 years in government or low-income private schools. They teach English, mathematics, science and social studies in English across grade 1 to 10. Teach for India fellows teach on ground in Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mumbai and Pune. The selection process takes place in 3 stages. First stage is of application form and online test. Second stage, the telephonic interview. Third stage is the assessment center. Moving on to next, you will see the attachment section. So these are all the documents which you require while filling up of the application form. So keep these documents handy. Moving down the page, you will see the button login and apply. Hit the button, it will redirect you to the official page of this fellowship from where you can know the further details regarding this fellowship. After that, click on apply now button, then sign up, enter your email address, then enter the password. If you want to receive an OTP, you can enter your mobile number or else create a password, confirm that password and click on sign up button. Then you can see the different stages of this fellowship: registration, application form and then online test. First you have to give the eligibility check. After that, click on proceed button. Then add your personal information carefully. Enter your first name, last name, date of birth, select gender accordingly, your email ID. If you have alternate email ID, enter it. Then enter the mobile number which is active, alternate contact number. If you want to receive updates on WhatsApp or SMS, select yes or no accordingly. Are you currently residing in India? Select yes or no accordingly. If yes, in which state you are residing, in which city you are residing, enter it. Then enter your academic and professional summary, highest level of education, current professional status, your undergraduate college name. Do you have prior full-time professional work experience? Select yes or no accordingly. Then additional information, list positions of leadership or responsibility held. These positions should preferably be from a professional or extracurricular context. Based on your current interests, what would you like to do after the 2-year fellowship? You must pick and rank the top 2 areas of your interest. Then where did you first hear about Teach for India Fellowship? Then click on proceed button. Then you have to enter your academic journey details, current professional status, highest level of education as of June 2023. Then regarding your undergraduate education, college name, degree, completion date, grading system. Then enter your percentage. If you have any additional degree, you can just add on to it. Then enter your secondary education details, completion date, 12th board percentage or equivalent. Then additional informations, some questions are asked. Select yes, no, prefer not to, so accordingly. And then after that, were you a student beneficiary of a program run by any of these organizations? Select accordingly. And then after that, click on proceed button. Then before you move forward, there are some reminders, check through them. And after that, click on unlock application form. Then your application status is shown to you. If you have missed some details, you can just go back and edit them. Then after that, the last step is clicking on let's finish this up, where you have to upload your photograph. What are your assessment center preferences? You can add them. Preferred city of placement for this fellowship. What influenced you to apply for this fellowship? You have to enter. Then some questions are asked. Select yes or no accordingly. Then take out the declaration. Then after that click on submit button. This is how you go about the application process for Teach India Fellowship. The further details regarding the online test, everything will be noticed to you. For more updates like this, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel, The Global Scholarship. You can also join us on Instagram and Telegram at The Global Scholarship. Thank you.